Hello friends, today in this live stream we will be talking about how to basically convert your Excel file into PDF document. So let's suppose you have Microsoft Excel file which contains basically, let me show you. This basically it's Excel file. You will see four columns are there: ID, name, username, email, and we have four rows of data. And we will be using a Node.js package, which is basically PDFKit and also ExcelJS. So we will be using these two Node.js packages in order to convert this to a PDF document. So now let me run this Node.js script here. As I run this script here, you will see this file.pdf will be created in the left hand side. Let me run this script here. If I write node index.js, you will see that in the left hand side this file.pdf will be created. And now if I open this file inside the browser, you will see it will basically convert the Excel file. So whatever data was present, it has converted them into a table, and it is showing it inside the PDF document alongside with the column names, which is ID, name, username, email, and we have got these four rows of data right here. So basically this is carrying out this conversion process. It's really simple. So you can see it's a Microsoft Excel file. You can open this inside your Microsoft Excel. So there are many converters out there on internet which converts your Excel file to PDF. So you can make your own converter using Node.js. So all the source code, guys, I have given in the description of the video. In the description of this live stream, I have written a complete blog post where I have given this script here. So now let's get started by writing the script. So first of all, just make a index.js file. Let me delete this file here. So now you need to, after you initialize your project by using that command npm init-y, so this will create package.json file. Now you need to install this package, which is PDFKit and also ExcelJS. So these two packages are required for this application. So simply install this by using npm I command. So I have already installed it. So now just create index.js file, and here we need to import these modules here. So just write here ExcelJS. So we just need to require this module here by using required statement here. So ExcelJS, and also you need to import the PDFKit library, and from this it contains this PDF document method here. So again we will need to require the PDFKit library here. So just write PDFKit here dot, and that's all. So after this we also need to require file system module in order to save the resultant PDF document. So just require this, and here this will be a async function because we will need to use await keyword. So we will wrap this inside async. So right here we will write the code here. So first of all, basically we will now read the workbook. We will create a new instance of this new ExcelJS library, and here we will basically invoke the method which is workbook, and here we will await workbook, and it basically contains this method xls, and here it contains this method, guys, which is read file. So here it allows you to basically pass the path of the Excel file that you're working on. So we will simply pass the path. So it is there inside the same directory. So we will simply say sample.xls. So after this, guys, we just need to get the worksheet. So we will say that workbook dot, and it contains this method which is get worksheet, and basically here you can pass the name of the worksheet that you want to work upon. You will simply pass here sheet 1. So if you see inside sample.xls, we have got this sheet 1 here. So we are basically having this, accessing this sheet number, and basically if you just console log it, if you run this project node index.js, so you will see it is saying that require is not a function. Okay, sorry, we need to invoke this function as well, because this is, we just need to put this parentheses here, guys. We need to, it is automatically invoked here, so we need to put this parentheses. So now if you once again run this, let me check, package.json file is correct. Oh, sorry, you also need to put this semicolon as well, because this is a async function, so you need to put this semicolon. So this is required here. And now after you execute this, you will basically see the sheet number, guys, that we are working upon. So it will return you this JSON response. So after this, what we need to do, guys, after we get the sheet number, we need to basically construct a PDF document. So we will say that PDF doc, and we will basically make a new PDF document. So you can see we are invoking a new instance of it, object, and now this contains this method pipe, and here we will basically create a new read stream, create write stream, and basically we will basically pass file.pdf. So we will create a new file called as file.pdf, which will be the resultant file which will get created. We are using this write stream to it, and here we will simply say that after this we can set the column spacing. So column spacing, basically the space between different columns inside PDF document. So you can set this accordingly. I am setting at 80. And after this, we can basically say that the worksheet, and it contains each row. And for each row, basically, we will repeat this process. This is kind of a loop here, which will run until all the data is fetched. So for each row here, we will set the, like this, we use this each cell method, and inside this basically we will pass the cell number and the column index, and inside this, guys, we will pass the x position. And now to calculate this, we will simply say that call index multiplied by 40, and basically here we will concatenate column index minus 1, and then it needs to be multiplied by column spacing. This is basically the formula to calculate the x coordinate, and similarly we will calculate the y coordinate as well, like this. This will be coming from row index multiplied by 40, and then we need to plus, that's all. This is all, this is the row index multiplied by 40. This is your y coordinate. And now we just need to draw something. So now to draw something here, we will use the text method, and here we will provide the x coordinate and the cell.text, which will be the actual text, and then we will provide x position and y position. So just put y position, that's all. So now if you run this, and after all this is done right here, we just need to basically call PDF doc, and we need to call the end method, that's all. So this is basically the whole program, guys. And now if I run this Node.js program, if I write node index.js, you will see this will create file.pdf. And if you basically now open this, it has, you can see, automatically converted your Excel file to PDF document. So whatever data is present right here, you will see that. And you can basically change this indexing number, column spacing. Let's suppose I change to 50. And once again, if you refresh, your column spacing will change here. So accordingly, you can change here whatever you like. You can basically pass here. You can see that. So this is looking quite good here. So in this way, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. All the source code is given in the description of this live stream. Thank you very much for watching this video.